Hello friend, welcome to Rajni007 Maths tutorial. How to solve this type of question equation? What is the question? X by y is equal to 3 by 4. 5 we have to find the value of this. How to solve this type of question? 6 by 7 plus y minus x by y plus x plus simply divided by y. Y divided by y, it will come 1 minus x by y plus x by y, because we have the value of x by y. 1 minus 3 by 4 by 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 minus 3, 1 by 4 by, it will come 1 by 4 into 4 by 7. 4 will cut out. So 6 by 7 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 7 by 7, which is equal to 1. Let's take one more question of this kind. A by b is here also 4 by 3. Then we have to find the value of 3a plus 2b by 3a minus 2b. What we will do? 3a plus 2b by 3a minus 2b. We will divide the numerator or denominator by b. It will become 3a by b plus 2. So b by b become 1. 3a by b minus 2. And a by b value is given 4 by 3. So 4 plus 2, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. Final answer is 3. In this way, you can solve this type of question by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number, and whatever the value is given, you just put it and find the equation. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please ping in my video and subscribe my channel to get more maths video.